Schluter KERDI-LINE-VARIO is a versatile linear drain with a slim, modern grate design that can be cut to size on-site to fit the precise dimensions of your shower. The KERDI-LINE-VARIO flange and grate and channel assembly are sold separately. Let's take a look at what's included with each part. In the flange box, you will receive the KERDI-LINE-VARIO drain flange with integrated KERDI waterproofing collar, a two-piece foam flange support, a PVC and an ABS coupling required for plumbing connections, a two-part template that has a circle portion to guide the hole in the subfloor for the flange outlet, and a rectangle portion that is used to prepare the shower tray for the VARIO flange, a construction cover, a downspout with two-sided tape, a cleaning brush, a grate removal tool, waterproofing accessories, including KERDI Carrick inside and outside corners, and KERDI Seal PS and MV pipe and mixing valve seals. Included in the grate and channel assembly box is a stainless steel channel, a stainless steel grate, and grate end caps. The grate is available in two different lengths. There is an 8-foot and 4-foot option to choose from, and both can easily be cut to size to fit your application. The grate is available in 4 different design options: herringbone, floral, slant, and square. KERDI-LINE-VARIO can be installed in conjunction with a mortar bed or with Schluter KERDI Shower LT and Schluter KERDI Shower LTS sloped shower trays. The trays are made of lightweight expanded polystyrene with integrated Schluter KERDI waterproofing. They are available in several different sizes and for both wall and intermediate drain placement. Before beginning, always refer to the Schluter Shower System Installation Handbook for all requirements related to your specific installation scenario. Make sure that the substrate is clean, even, and load-bearing. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the KERDI-LINE-VARIO. Let's begin the installation. First, determine the location of the drain outlet. Our outlet will be slightly off-center due to an interfering joist. Using the circle portion of the template provided, mark the subfloor. Drill the hole in the subfloor. The hole should be a nominal 3 1/2 inch and limited to a 4-inch maximum to maintain proper support of the VARIO flange. Dry fit the foam flange support with the thin side towards the wall and the VARIO flange. It may be helpful to use a small piece of painter's tape to keep the KERDI collar in place during the next steps. Note that if the VARIO flange is installed well in advance of the shower tray, the construction cover is used to protect the flange and KERDI collar from any damage that may happen on the worksite. The cover can be cut to fit in instances where the flange sits tight to the wall. The construction cover is secured into place until the next steps of installation resume. In this example, we will be installing the shower tray and the VARIO flange at the same time, so the construction cover will be set aside. Next, we'll prepare the shower tray. Using the rectangle portion of the template provided, cut out a section of the flat end of the tray for the foam support. Dry fit the tray and flange to verify proper positioning and fit. We can now install the tray and the flange. Make sure the substrate is clean and free of debris. Apply any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate with a notched trowel where the shower tray is to be installed. A 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch or 3/8 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notch trowel is used to apply the mortar. Apply mortar with the flat side of the trowel and then apply additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Set the shower tray. Place a cut section of cardboard over the tray to protect the KERDI and solidly embed the tray into the mortar. Select the ABS or PVC coupling adapter to match the waistline material and attach it to the flange using thread sealing tape or compound. We're using PVC in our installation. This installation assumes that there is access to the plumbing from below and the waistline can be connected after installing KERDI-LINE-VARIO. If you do not have access to the plumbing from below, install and connect the KERDI-LINE-VARIO to the waistline simultaneously. It is particularly important to protect the shower tray during this process, as the plumbing glue can damage the tray. Next, install the foam flange support to the back of the flange. We're using thin-set mortar for this, but KERDI-FIX can also be used. The foam supports only fit one way to align with the off-center flange outlet. Finally, we'll install the VARIO flange. Apply thin-set mortar to the bottom of the flange. Then, install the flange with the thin side of the foam supports facing the wall and coupling of choice into the prepared opening in the tray and solidly embed into place. Clean any excess mortar from around the flange. Check the flange for level. Next, we'll begin the waterproofing connections. The KERDI collar on KERDI-LINE-VARIO is integrated with the adjoining waterproofing assembly using any of our Schluter thin-set mortars or an unmodified thin-set mortar. The Schluter KERDI trowel, which features a 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch design, or a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel is used to apply the mortar. Apply a thin layer of the mortar with the flat side of the trowel to produce solid contact with the surface, and then comb additional mortar using the notch side of the trowel. Embed the KERDI collar into the thin-set mortar using the flat side of the trowel or a drywall finishing knife to ensure full coverage and remove air pockets. Continue the waterproofing application, installing KERDI Caric inside and outside corners and KERDI band waterproofing strips where required, ensuring a 2-inch overlap is achieved at all junctions. If tile is to be set on floors adjacent to the shower, consider the use of the Schluter Ditra uncoupling and waterproofing membrane, which can be sealed to the Schluter shower system to provide comprehensive waterproofing in the bathroom. Once the waterproofing is complete, the grate assembly and tile can be installed. Use care when handling the channel and grate. Determine the tile layout and install the first course of wall tile. We recommend setting the wall tile first to provide optimal space for the channel installation. We recommend using a thicker tile, such as a 5/16 or 3/8 inch thickness. Measure for the channel length so the channel opening is positioned over the flange opening, making sure to leave a 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch joint between the channel and the tile. It's important to measure from the center of the VARIO flange out to ensure the opening of the channel sits appropriately over the flange. Another important note is that if the flange is not centered, such as in a 48-inch shower footprint, you may need to size up to the 8-foot channel and cut to size, since the channel opening is centered. Cut the channel to length. Make sure to observe all safety instructions and standards as directed by the cutting tool manufacturer. To cut the channel, we recommend using a variable speed angle grinder set to a medium-low speed with the Schluter Pro Cut TSM cutting wheel or an alternative cutting wheel suitable for stainless steel. Alternatively, a bandsaw or a hacksaw can be used, provided the blades are suitable for cutting stainless steel. Regardless of the cutting tool used, the cut ends may be jagged or sharp. Remove any burrs with a metal file or similar. Dry fit the channel to ensure proper fit and alignment. Measure for the grate and repeat the cutting process as previously demonstrated with the channel. We recommend cutting both ends of the grate for a more uniform finish. Press the stainless steel end caps to the cut ends of the grate. The end caps are compression fit and do not require any adhesive to install. Center and attach the black downspout to the underside of the channel using the provided double-sided tape. Apply thin set mortar to the shower tray to install the first course of tile on the shower base, considering the space where the channel will be installed. The minimum size tile for the shower base is 3/8 inch. Using a notch trowel, liberally apply thin set mortar to the back side of the channel. Embed the channel into the thin set mortar until it is flush with or slightly lower than the adjacent tile. Check to ensure the channel is level and the 1/16 to 1/8 inch gap remains along the perimeter. Clean any excess thin set from the channel immediately. Install the remaining tiles and grout the installation. Finally, the grate is set into the channel to complete the installation. The grate can be easily removed for cleaning using the grate removal tool and included cleaning brush. KERDI-LINE-VARIO offers the ultimate in flexibility and style, with a comprehensive waterproofing system that ensures your shower will stand the test of time. If you still have questions, please contact our customer support specialists. For more information on Schluter products, visit schluter.com or check out our YouTube channel to view our videos.